Getting the could not open WhatsApp error on your iPhone? Don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through simple steps to fix the issue. Let's dive in. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that resolves the issue. Try airplane mode on and off. After trying these basic things, if your issue is still alive, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Force close the WhatsApp. Swipe up from the iPhone home screen or press and hold on the theme button if you're using old model iPhone. Now find the WhatsApp app in the app switcher. Now just simply swipe up to close it and then reopen the app. Solution 2. Clear WhatsApp cache. First open the Settings app. After that, tap General. Then tap iPhone Storage. Find the WhatsApp app. Tap on it. Now tap on Offload app. Again, tap the Offload app to confirm it. Next, tap Reinstall it. Solution 3. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go to the WhatsApp app and try to open it again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings. Then enter your passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset all settings again. After resetting all settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.